the next stage. What is that? Defect tracking. Surya, check the response. Did you understand online? Yes. Now, when you are tracking the defect, if you come to know developer fixed a bug, again, you should retest that bug. Yes or no? So the same analysis. See, the same life cycle from here, writing test cases to defect tracking. Writing test cases, executing the test cases. When you find a bug, prepare defect report and track the defect. Again, execute the test cases again. So the same process will continue. Did you understand? So this is the HP ALM workflow. If anybody asks, okay, if you're showing ALM tool, okay, I have hands-on experience on ALM in resume. They may ask, what is the workflow of ALM? Then you should explain this complete as I explained. Got it? Yes. Online, did you understand? Take a pic of it. Take a pic of it. Take a pic of it. All of it taken? Online, taken. Next, I'll talk about modules in ALM. See guys, exact picture. I just took screenshot from ALM only. Got it? So this is how it looks. See, these are the modules in ALM. Okay? See, listen to me. Let me explain each module. You should remember in which module what information we store. Okay? Yes. Online. Listen, all of you. First module. What is that? Dashboard. What is that? Dashboard module. Listen to me. In every application, in every tool, in every software, you'll find a module called dashboard. What dashboard shows, in that software, in that tool, overall, what is going on. That is what the information given by dashboard. In dashboard, you will find in this ALM, okay, which project, on which project you are working, how much work is completed, who is doing which work. Complete overall, what is going on this project. Okay. So in this ALM, okay, what work is going on, who is working on that, how much work is completed. Okay. So that information you'll find in dashboard. Online, did you understand? Yes. Next, there is a tool called management. There is a tool called, sorry, I am really sorry. It's not a tool. It's a module. What is that? In ALM tool, there is a module called management. Okay. See guys, in nice music, but keep it in mute. Okay. Yes, now listen to me. In ALM, there is a module called management. See, using this management module, Scrum Master or architect, they can store release details, sprint details, test cycle details. Got it? So, in which module they store release details, test cycle details? In which module? Online. In which module? Type answer. Management module. Good. Next. So next there is a module called requirements module. Okay. Listen to me. Of course you understood. BA or SME, one who manage the requirement, they store requirements of particular project in this ALM using which module? Requirements module. Understood? Next. There is a module called there is a module called testing module. There is a module called testing module. Inside this testing module, there are sub options. There is a option called test plan. See, test plan is the module in ALM where test engineer going to write a test case. Got it? In which module we are going to write a test case? Testing plan, not test plan. What is that? Test plan module. Okay. In test plan module, test engineers, we are going to write a test cases. Now, all of you tell me, answer my question. In ALM, in which module we are going to write a test cases? Online. Next. Done. Next. See, there is a module called test lab. Okay, test lab is the module where test engineers are going to execute the test cases. Got it? Now all of you answer my question. In ALM, in which module test engineers we are going to execute the test cases? Online. Test lab. Okay. Next, there is a module called defects module. Okay. So while executing the test cases, test engineers, as soon as they find a bug, so they can prepare defect report in which module? Defects module. See, by default, defect module is there. By default, defect module is there. By default, defect tracking. That is a built-in advantage in ALM. You no need to add a third-party module. Got it? Two different important process of testing team kept in one tool. That's the beauty of ALM. That's why it was so popular. Got it? Yes. Now all of you answer my question. In ALM, in which module test engineer you are going to prepare a defect report and track the defect? Which module? Online. Surya, what is the answer? Read. Very good. You also learned ALM. All of you take a screenshot of this. Took photo of this. Yes, no? Surya, minimized. They're responding. So this is the introduction of ALM. Okay, this is how you should understand any tool. Okay, what type of application, what is the main purpose of it, and what is the life cycle of it, workflow of it. Okay, how many modules contains. So theory is done. Now let's start what? Practical. Now I'll start practical. Okay, we'll give access after the class. Okay, offline students, I will give, say, in this branch where I'm training, in this branch I have 3 servers. All of you remember, it's a strict warning to everybody. ALM tool I stopped teaching for 4 to 5 years intentionally because students did mistake. I have purchased licensed version servers. 6 ALM servers I have purchased, okay, by pressurizing management. Only for experienced candidate's sake. Each server is around 2.5 lakh change. Got it? 6 servers I purchased only for experienced candidate's sake because I want you. I want to get you, real-time experience. We have 3 servers in this branch where I'm sitting. We already renewed the license and cleaned the database. New username password created. Okay? And I'll be giving username password to you. Admin username password only I'll give it because I want you to learn storing requirement details, release details, everything. That is a serious agenda of mine. But 5-6 years back in Basavangudi, QSpider, there were around 150 members experienced candidate. I arranged servers, given access of server. They were accessing this ALM directly from servers, exactly like real time. With IP address, they used to access. Some nonsense fellows will be there. Intentionally, they change admin password. When they change admin password, you know what happens? How many people accessing that server? Everybody will log out automatically. Their test cases will collapse. That is how they disturbed me. That is how they disturbed me. You know what? We found. I told admin, 2 days also no problem. Who is that nonsense fellow? One who changed admin password of ALM. Get him. We got him. Scolded Kachra Pachaka, I slammed him. And you know what I did? Then again, I started teaching from the beginning. Again, some other fellow changed. I told them one thing. If your parents sent here to play with all these things, then don't come. If you don't want to learn ALM, okay, Don't disturb other students one who's serious. Why are you changing password again and again? Just because I have given complete permissions of ALM, admin, username, password. I irritated that batch ALM, I stopped it. Many students requested, I didn't teach. I said, for like you students, only one tool is enough. First learn one tool, zero enough, go. From that time, every batch students call me for ALM. I'll say, I will not teach ALM. So this was the story. And after 4 to 5 years, now I am teaching for your batch. Online, are you getting? Why? Because many offline students, you guys requested, so I'm teaching ALM. Okay? And I promised that if you continue till the end seriously, I'll teach. So you continued. Okay, that's why I'm teaching ALM. So why I'm saying this? Why? Because I'm telling you right now, if any one of you, either online or offline, knowingly, unknowingly, if you change admin password, that moment I'll stop ALM. That moment I'll stop ALM because me and our admins and all, they have a lot of work. We don't want to waste our time finding who changed the password and all, because one server capacity is 100 to 150 members can access at a shot. Okay, by paying lakhs together money and purchase the servers and all, if any of you modify the password of admin, I'll tell that moment I'll stop ALM I'll stop teaching. Online, you understood? Online, offline, you understood, all of you? So I'm damn serious, stomach burning. 6 servers purchased, paying lakhs, stomach burning. 3-4 years I didn't teach. Okay, I can teach, but I don't want to teach. Students will misuse and they'll just change the password to play, and it will disturb whole process. 50 students, 60 students, they would have accessed, used one server. One fellow change password, all 60 students will log out automatically. Again, it's a culture of job for our admin team, Papa. They have to spend 1 or 2 days time to find out and change the password. Got it? Now only I'm saying, okay, online and offline. Remember, knowingly, unknowingly also, if you change password, I'll stop teaching ALM. Now only decide. If anybody, don't want to continue ALM, okay, then you can just drop from project class. Everything is done for you. Already done. Online, offline. Did you understand? Simply coming and don't disturb me. Got it? Yes. What is the check? Understood online? Yes. All right. Theory is done. Practical. Listen to me. This ALM tool, dedicatedly developed for IE, Internet Explorer 11 version. Which browser? Default browser is IE11, not Edge. IE11. Okay, all of you, Internet Explorer 11. I know. Sir, automatically Internet Explorer updated as Edge, right? See, when it is in Edge, you can turn it off Edge and you can turn it on Internet Explorer mode. Okay, IE11 mode, you can turn it on. Okay, how to do that? I'll give steps. First, I'll give that steps now. Okay. I'll just freeze the screen. Online, I'll disable the screen just for a few minutes because I'm opening my Gmail account. In Edge, how to turn it on? Internet Explorer 11 mode. Okay, IE mode. Huh? Beyond desktop. Beyond desktop. Okay, steps to do: settings, Microsoft Edge, activate Internet Explorer mode.